Hey everyone, so here is Han Academy app. So it has 30k ratings and 4.3 out of 5, and absolutely amazing app. One of the first apps to actually introduce online education, which is absolutely astonishing. And then you can just learn all the different areas, all the different subjects like chemistry, math, physics. There are all the different libraries and courses, and I think majority of it is for free. It's also available offline and all of that. So just tap cat to install it on iPhone. It's a pretty small size, just 60 megabytes, so you need to have that free storage in your device. And then you can learn anything basically. Just yeah, doesn't depend on your age. If you want just to brush up some of your education skills, you can use this app. And Khan Academy is a non-profit organization with the mission of providing a free world-class education for anyone anywhere. So that's really ambitious, cool mission there. And yeah, then you can start learning. You can uh, select language, see recent lessons, search, and do all of that. I will just create a bigger overview of the app and how to use it. But was just like introduction video. I hope you enjoyed it.